Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy you guys are back for another video. So today I'm doing another makeup tutorial for you guys because I honestly feel like I haven't done any. So I hope you guys are ready for these. And also for those of you who are new, thank you so much for subscribing and for showing all the love and support. Thank you so much. So I really hope you guys are enjoying my Christmas videos, and I will also do another Christmas video where I'm putting up my tree. So once again, thank you so much for keeping up with me. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna pull my hair back there. All right, you guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is start off with my eyes, and in order to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some tape on the sides because I have found that really useful, and that is optional to you guys if you want to do it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And also make sure that you set your eyes with some eyeshadow primer. Okay, so here I have my eyeshadow brush, and this came along with my Profusion Treasure Box palette. And I'm gonna be grabbing these like cheer color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that as my transition. So are you guys ready for the holiday now that Thanksgiving is like right around the corner? And what do you guys normally do in Thanksgiving? Do you guys go out on vacation, or do you just gather up with your family and friends and have some dinner? What do you guys do normally on Thanksgiving? Because I honestly don't know what I'm going to be doing. We don't know if we're gonna go to my mom's house since she lives in another place. So I'm not sure yet what we're gonna do. I believe if we don't do anything or go out of town, we might as well just I don't know, probably order some food or do something else. I'm not sure because my oven really doesn't work. When we bought the house, it doesn't work, so that's awful because I can't do anything. So we'll see what we do. I will be updating you guys probably in another video, showing you guys what we're gonna be doing for Thanksgiving. If not, I'll just do another makeup tutorial or a get ready with me video, those type of things. So I don't know, so just comment and let me know what you guys gonna do. Moving on, I'm gonna be using the City Mini palette, and I'm gonna be grabbing the navy blue color, which is this right here. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease really quick, and then I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay, so I don't know if this is even or not or whatever, so I'm not really that good on that, so just don't judge me. Anyways, I'm still working on that. So now that I have cut the crease, I'm going to apply the blue eyeshadow, the one that I mentioned to you guys. So here I have my other eyeshadow brush, and this is from Beauty Essence. And we're gonna go ahead and apply it to the wave now. So now I'm going to be using some of this white shimmery, and I'm going to apply that in the teardrop of the eye. So now it's time to wing the lines, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Precise in black. Now to make this an intense look, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil, and I'm going to apply that on top of the eye and on the waterline. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my fall eyelashes off camera, and then I'll be right back for the finished look. Okay, so I'm back. So you can hardly even tell that I have my fall eyelashes because I am using the natural hair eyelashes, and this is from Kiss, I believe. And this is a really cheap fall eyelashes that I got from Walmart for $2.96. So I gave it a try. So it's nothing so exaggerated like my other lashes, but I wanted something more natural this time, so you can barely even tell. So that's what I'm wearing right now. So now I'm moving on to finish up this look. I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation, and this is a number 235 Pure Beige, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me. I have my blending sponge, and I'm just going to get this done really quick. Now I'm gonna apply some Maybelline concealer. So I'm gonna use now my Fit Me powder, and I am using my powder brush. Alright you guys, so this is the complete look for this makeup tutorial. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. And once again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. And I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Have a wonderful day.